Natural Beauties. This is Cherie with another video, and as you can see, I am giving you my recipe for the DIY Ultimate Moisture Mask. This is my favorite, one of my favorite masks to do at home is Honey Avocado hair mask, and I'm gonna show you how I make it, how I apply it, and what the benefits are. So keep watching. So this is one of those masks that I like to use when I am feeling like my hair is super dry, feeling a little neglected, and I need to whip it back into shape. Of course, this mask calls for avocado. I usually use one whole ripe avocado. You want to peel or pit and remove all of the fleshy, meaty, fruity part of the avocado. I also add 2 tablespoons of raw organic honey. You can even boost that up to like 1/4 of a cup. Also 2 tablespoons or 1/4 of a cup of organic virgin olive oil. And it's optional, but if you want to change the scent, which I really don't mind at all, but you can always add an essential oil of your choice, just a few drops. And what I like to do is whip this by hand, but if you have a blender, by all means use your blender. It can aid in getting this mixture nice and creamy. And this is pretty much the consistency that you want to have before you apply it to your hair. I use one glove and I kind of use my hand to be free because it's kind of slippery, and I want to just make sure everything is being applied evenly, and you can't really tell when you do have the gloves on. But this is messy, and definitely prepare your clothing and wherever the work area is that you're using to apply the mask. Make sure you put something down on the floor because it can get messy if you're not just doing this in the shower or somewhere where you're preparing to have, you know, food grade ingredients fall. So all of the 3 main ingredients in this mask work very well together to provide ultimate moisture and deep conditioning to your hair. Honey is an emollient, which means it seals moisture in your hair, keeping it conditioned. This reduces breakage, which is often a cause for slower hair growth. It has rich antioxidant properties, which prevent damage, keeping your scalp and your hair very healthy. Honey also strengthens the hair follicles and curb hair fall. Then olive oil adds softness and strengthens the hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. The shine said to come from olive oil may be due to the oil smoothing the outer cuticle of the hair. And finally, the avocado is loaded with potassium and amino acids, around 4 grams of protein, which is the highest among most fruits, and historically has been known to be used as back as far as early Egypt to prevent hair loss and act as a natural moisturizer. And this is the result of my hair after sitting for about 30 minutes to an hour with the treatment in. You can see it is a bit shrunken, but it is very moisturized and very defined, and that is what you are looking for when you do a intense moisturizing deep conditioner. And that's it, you guys. It's that simple. As always, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to share, comment, let me know if you've tried this before or you're going to try it in the near future, and subscribe down below for more content like this. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine. Bye.